Are you a good doggie? You're a good doggie? Do you want a bone? You're a good doggie? Will you wait for it? You're gonna be a good doggie? What about you? Are you a good doggie? Will you leave it? Even though you got a kitty cat above you? All right, leave it. We'll put it right there for you. Oh, that's not a good doggie. You didn't wait. We'll try you. Buster, what do you think? Are you a good doggie? You've been waiting longer. I know, the kitty cats are here. You can go get Buster. Oh, Arrow. You're not being a good doggie. Oh, you both are great dogs.